Hi, so now we're on to the final question, question 12. So you're given a triangle and the following measurements. We know one side's 80, one side's 120, and we're given one angle. Okay, so for sine rule, that's plenty of information as we've got one full pair of opposite or corresponding length and angle. However, this time you're asked to find the area. Now, to find the area, you need two lengths and the angle in between. So we haven't got that. So we need to find this angle here before we can find the area. Okay, so just to remind you, the formula for area in trigonometry is half AB sine of C. So we've got A and B, 80, 120. Sine C, we need this in between angle, in between 80 and 120. So to do that, first of all, we're going to need to use our sine rule. We're going to find this angle and then add them up, take away from 180 to find this one. Now the reason I'm starting here is because we've already been given this side here. So there's a pair and there's a pair. Okay, so what we start off with is doing sine rule, and we'll say call it x for now, defined x. So matching up our pairs, so we're looking for an angle, so I'm going to put angles on top, and our matching pairs 40 and 120. So putting angles on top, because that's what I'm looking for. I write out my general formula, so I have that written out. So now looking for, so I'm putting in my matching pairs, my one set that I've got. Sorry, that should say sine of 40. So sine of 40 over 120 equals, so I'm looking for sine B. I'm going to call it sine x here. All over, so sine of x all over the opposite length, which is 80. Okay, so I'm looking for sine x, I want x by itself. So again, this 80, I'm going to multiply both sides by 80 to get x by itself. So that's going to look like so. Sine of 40 degrees all over 120 multiplied by 80 equals sine x. So that's where we're at now. So at this point, you put that into the calculator and then take the next step, or you could do it all at one time. Okay, so what I mean by all at one time, when we're finding an angle, remember, we want x by itself, so you can bring the sine over, and it's always inverse sine. So the inverse sine of what we have here. So you can type all that in the calculator at one time. Equals x, and hopefully then that'll show you that x equals 25 degrees. So we can bring that back up to our diagram, put in the information we know. So now I know this is 25. So if I know these two angles, I know this one. So 40 plus 25 is 65. 180 take away 65. It's going to give me 115 degrees. Remember, all angles in triangle add up to 180. So now I'm able to find the area because I've got two lengths and the angle in between it. So now we can follow out this formula and finally complete the question. So we've got half of 80 times by 120 sine of 115 degrees. Okay, so again, you can just go straight into calculator here now with this, and when you type it in, remember you're looking for area, so it's going to be 4,350 meters to be squared. And there's your area, and there's your answer to question 12. Calculate the area of this triangle. So hope that helps. Now this is very much an exam style question because you have to do a little bit of geometry before we can go straight to what the question's asking us. A little bit of sine rule. Okay, so geometry, sine rule, and then our area. Okay, so hope this helps. Again, any questions, just shoot me an email. Thank you.